Demonstrate the IQ PIN code features. PIN codes are a method of preventing unauthorized personnel from gaining access to change programs out at satellite controllers. We set up PIN codes by first going from the IQ home screen to the Tools drop-down menu. We're going to select PIN codes. And you'll see here this is a list of existing PIN codes. I have one PIN code in. I'm going to add another one by selecting the Add button. It uses a random number generator to generate a new PIN code. We can change or enter that whatever number we want, along with the name of the person we're assigning that to. I'm going to go ahead and hit OK. We assign PIN codes to satellites through the Configure screen. So under Satellites, I'm going to select Configure, select one of my existing satellites, select Edit Configuration and Stations from the Configure tab, and you'll see PIN codes are at the bottom of the configuration screen. The default is unprotected. If I click on that unprotected link, it takes me to the PIN code configuration screen. You'll see we have three options for protection level. Unprotected means we're not using PIN codes for the satellite. Partial protection means that a person without a PIN code can access the off, auto, and check all stations, check system, dial positions. Those three positions only. They will need a PIN code to get into all other dial positions. Full protection prevents anyone that does not have a PIN code from accessing any dial position. So I'm going to go ahead and select full protection, and I'm going to select both of the PIN codes that I've entered here and select full and hit OK. I would need to synchronize this change down to the satellites. Down at the satellite, if field personnel open the controller, turn the dial, push a button, they would be presented with a PIN code entry screen, and IQ cartridge logs all unsuccessful and successful events to gain access via PIN codes. We can view a log of that by going to View Event Logs. I do need to go up to the Generate New Log button and select Diagnostics and OK. And I want to sort on the Type column. I'm going to pick on the little funnel here, and I want to pick Diagnostics. Okay. You'll see here, here's an event log, front panel unlocked by PIN code, and it gives the friendly name of that person. You can also, I believe, see down here an unsuccessful attempt to gain access to the system. An attempt to unlock the front panel failed, and it gives you again date and time of when that occurred. Okay.